In today's video, we're going to get into round 2 of stump removal. And so I'm going to work on getting a brand new blade chain put on my chainsaw. And then we're going to go out there and cut that stump out. So enjoy the video, like, share, and subscribe. Questions in the comment section. As soon as the video's over, go check out some other content. Here we go, enjoy the So the tree had gotten some kind of a disease, but it didn't really affect the beauty of the wood. Let's see if I can get a good shot. It didn't really affect the beauty of the wood internally. This is I believe it's an old sand hickory. And you can see the log over there. The trunk that I cut down, it's already drying out. But I actually caught this thing dying last year. I had already put up cameras that take a picture every hour of every day. And I went back and found the day and the hour that the whole tree just sagged. It finally gave out life, and all of the branches sagged down and browned out. Everything browned out on it. And so it was a goner. But yeah, it had just gotten super thorny and stuff. So, but that's a good tree as far as like for lumber. This is the hardest wood I've ever dealt with. I've never dealt with a whole lot of hickories. But it's crazy. So I think I'm going to call it for today's video, everybody. So I appreciate everybody watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. I'm going to continue doing cool stuff like this. And you know, it's summertime, baby, so let's get outside and do some work. So come along, work with Bigfoot. Like, share, and subscribe. Questions in the comment section. Bigfoot out.